tomorrow is day 1 of my 10-day Advocare cleanse journey, and today I got my box in, so I wanted to unbox it really quickly. And let me just say, I have had a lot of friends who are part of MLMs who have been asking me to be part of theirs, so don't get mad at me if you're one of them. And this isn't from you. I've just kind of been inundated, and because this is a 10-day program, I decided I could do anything for 10 days. I used to be very, very strict, and because I haven't been, I'm 15 pounds over my fighting weight, and I'm hoping that in 10 days that I am 7 pounds closer to my fighting weight of 125. So anyway, that was all that was in the box? Yeah. Okay, so I got a preferred customer box. I'm not sure what's in that yet. I got fiber. I got an herbal cleanse, Omegaplex, omega-3 fatty acids, Spark Energy, vitamin amino acid supplement, and a little guide. And I'm going to be replacing these, which I have taken these almost every day since my twins were born over 8 years ago. That's them over there. Hold it. Hi, say hi, guys.
Hi.
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 We play Gummy.
And there's my little love bug
and
Isaiah.
look, we play this game.
Yeah, whatever.
Now we play Call of Duty 4.
I said if you tell anybody about it, you're not going to be playing it, so
I'm
stop.
just kidding, guys. We don't.
Yeah.
This is some.
Let's see what's in this box.
This
Just
is
gotta put this down.
Oh. Got ya.
Okay, I think it's just information stuff. This is probably like the worst unboxing video you'll ever see. Hold it, let me try one. Come on. I've resorted to ripping. Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah, there's another supplement in here. Spark, that's more Spark. It's a little welcome. Ooh, satisfaction guarantee. And yes, information booklets and stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, and today part of my job is to go ahead and plan, and I'm going to start tomorrow morning, and I am going to do measurements, and I am going to weigh myself, and again, my goal is to lose 7 pounds in 10 days, and I am going to journal it all as I go. Another thing too is I was recently diagnosed with Lyme disease, so I'm hoping that it will help those symptoms as well, which actually, I'm feeling really, really good from Lyme disease. I am working with a naturopathic doctor who has really, really helped me. But anyway, that's going to be another video. All right, guys, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.